Hi everybody, it's Jam, and today I want to walk you through on how to actually go through the application process, the application form of Coconut VA. Okay, first step is to actually join our FB group. Okay, because this is where we post our, real-time job openings. So what you see up here are currently the open job openings that we have right now. So for example, like this one, executive assistant. If you want to know more about the job opening, just click see more and you'll see all the details right there, like the job code, the rate, um, how to apply. It's this link. You have experience needed, the non-negotiables, industry tools, availability, and then all the FAQs. So what I'll do is I would copy the link and then I would paste it in a browser. So this is the first thing you'll see. So this is what you call the pre-qualifying assessment. So I need you to learn how to read everything and follow instructions. So in this page pa lang is a test. So you'll see here, because a lot of you ask me na parang, Jam, saan ko ba mahanap yung English test ko? Okay, it's actually here. So just copy the link, go to another browser, and paste and access the actual English quiz. At the end of the quiz, you will get the result, and you have to take note of that specific result. Okay? Next, once you're done with that, you click Start Routine. So there, this is the confirmation that I have the potential to be a coconut VA. Okay, so pretty much these are the next instructions or the next steps. Your level of experience and English proficiency are highly valued and aligned perfectly with the qualities of a strong candidate. This means that you have qualified to go through our application process. By clicking the button below, you'll be routed to our application form, which will bring you one step closer to potentially joining our team of talented VAs and embarking on an exciting journey. We look forward to reviewing your application and learning more about your qualifications. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to staffing at Coconut VA. So save that email, guys. Okay, if you need updates of your application, save that email. Thank you for your interest in Coconut VA, and we can't wait to potentially welcome you aboard as a valued member of our community. So what the test that you took earlier wasn't the actual application form. It was just the pre-qualifying quiz. Wala. If you are qualified, then you will get this page, okay? This confirmation page, and it will give you the link to the application form. So that's what I'll do now. Click apply now, and we will now proceed, guys, to the application form. Okay, let's go through this one by one. So put your name, okay, full name, gender, okay. Are you based in the Philippines? Where in the Philippines? So I'm from Luzon. So you have a choice, no? Choices between Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. I'm from Luzon. Okay, registered for phone number 0917-845-1234. That's not my real number. Email jam that, guys, make use of a professional email. Don't use marupok.ako@gmail.com. So use like a professional one, like this one, jam.blauta@gmail.com. What's your English proficiency level? Yung kanina, so I got C2. Total years of experience as a VA or remote worker, more than 2 years. Total years of experience supporting US businesses, that's none because wala pa, VA lang. So summarize your work experience in 10 sentences. So you can put here, I'm Jam and I am a VA sourcer. I help VA agencies source qualified Filipino VAs, okay, through community building, sorry, and content marketing. I have been doing this for over 2 years now. So that's 3 sentences. Sabi dyan, under 10 sentences. So that's good. So the shorter and straight to the point, the better. So here, next question is, what tools or softwares or platforms are you had experience with? Okay, so literally just enumerate everything. Like for example, you organize your thoughts. Unang-una siguro dyan ay messaging tools. Okay, so pwedeng Slack, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. Then let's go to Viber. Then let's go to the next one. Let's say project management tools. Let's say Notion, Trello, Airtable, Asana. Yung mga nagagamit mo na, no? Monday.com. Okay. What else? Let's talk about editing apps. Let's talk Canva, Final Cut Pro, um, CapCut, Audacity. Ilagay mo lahat, guys. What else? Let's say Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, um, what else? Google Forms, pretty much everything. Website, I know how to use. What they call this? Wag yung tipirin to guys, ilagay niyo lahat. Tingnan mo, 2,000 characters, oh. So tipirin niyo lahat. Let's say I know how to use Wix. I know how to use, ano yung isa? Yung WordPress, ayan. Lagay mo dyan. Diba? And many more, etc. Okay? So, ilagay niyo dyan. Next, in 5 sentences or less, specify what kind of role are you looking for? Admin, marketing, etc. Okay, if applicable, include specific industry, position, job title, indicate the job code. So kanina, no, I wanted to apply for this post. So ito yung job code. Ayan. So I would just copy this and just paste it here. Okay. Now, if you want more, okay, let's say I can do social media management or marketing. I can do community building. I can do video editor. Put it here. Okay, put everything here. Now, hourly rate, you can give a range. If you're open from $8 to $14 an hour, then click both. So 8 to 10 and then 11 to 14. At least may range. How many hours? I mentioned kanina part-time 20 hours only. Time zone, kung hindi ka naman maselan sa oras, then you can click everything. So this one, PH. You can click US Central Time. You can click UK or Europe time zone. You can click US Eastern time zone. Diba? You can click US Mountain Time. Ayan. Pacific time, US Pacific time. So yan, kung hindi ka na masalan sa time. Next, we offer part-time roles. So it's okay that you have clients outside Coconut VA as long as you're able to manage your time and productivity effectively. If this applies to you, let us know how many clients you have right now, how many hours you work, 'di ba? So put everything here, no? So I'll just put here one client flexi time. Okay? 20 hours a week. I'll just put there. Okay? Next. Basically, number 16 is asking you lang like, are you currently employed and you're just planning to be a VA, so you need to render, mag-resign ka pa lang, you need to render how many days. So kung wala naman, none are not applicable, no? But if kunwari, mag-render ka pa lang, mag-resign ka pa lang, then say to render for 30 days. Okay? Kung none, not applicable, and then NA. Now, speed test. Okay? Just copy the link once again. Go to a browser, paste it. Okay, and then just click go and wait. Just wait for the results. Diba? And then later on, we will screenshot it. Okay? Just patiently wait for the results. If you're learning so far and you feel like this is helpful, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. Ayan, because I'll be doing more of this, guys. So we're almost there. So once we're done with the upload speed, kasi kanina download speed, ito ang lalabas and a result, it's time to actually screenshot the result, go back to the form, and then go to Finder. Where is my Finder? Hold on, guys. Ayan, there's my Finder. And just drop the result here, the screenshot. Number 18 na tayo. Now's the time to create your profile. So all you have to do is to copy the link. Canva to, guys. Copy the link. Open the browser. And then click use template for new design. Kaya guys, when you're doing this application process, it's best if you're using a laptop or computer. Okay? So pretty much you will just edit everything. Make sure na kung may mga extra part dyan na hindi kailangan, alisin mo. Okay? So put your photo, ayan, all your details, isa-isahin mo guys. Isa-isahin mo. 'Di ba? First name, 'di ba? Huwag mo kakalimutan mamaya ito pa yung wala ka, 'di ba? Photo, wait lang, nasaan yung uploads? Let's say this is my photo. Ayan, drag mo lang doon. O, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Put all your details, basahin na maigi, alisin yung mga hindi kailangan, no? Actually, nandito lahat ng instructions, guys. Andito lahat ng instructions. So, hindi ko napapakita isa-isa kasi baka abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. All you have to do is to share and then make sure you click download and make sure it's in PDF standard and just do page 1. Ito lang dapat yung may check, yung page 1 and then done. And then download. So, pag na-download mo na yan, guys, so, pag na-download mo na yan, then go back to the form and then you just have to drop the PDF file dito just like how you did it with the speed test earlier. So, I'll just drop that here, back, wait for it to upload, and then you're done. Now, let's go to the 19th question. Malapit na tayo guys, konti na lang oh. Which is the big 5 personality test. Once again, you save the link, you copy the link, and then go to a browser, paste, and make sure you go through the tests. So at this point, pag natapos mo all 5 pages, guys, pag natapos mo yung all 5 pages, kaya step 1 to 5, para makuha yung results kasi, hahanapin niya yung ano, you have to pay. So ang dami nagtatanong sa inyo, do I need to pay to get the results? No, you just do a screenshot of the result. So I'll show you a result na na-screenshot ko recently. So screenshot mo lang and then drop it here. Yung nasa top part lang, kasi yung pangalawang part kasi, naka-blur na yung half part nun kasi you have to pay for it for you to get the result. So, yung top part lang, yung top 5, dinagay ko dyan. Now, create a 1-minute video via Loom. So, all you have to do is first, go here, yung second na link, copy yan, go to a browser once again, paste, ayan, and go through the the instructions or intro video tutorial.
Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Lieber. I am one of the co-founders of Coconut VA, and we're so excited for
pretty much,
you could be
niya ng tips kung paano gumawa ng isang effective or impactful na introduction video. Next, go back pag okay ka na, go to the other link because it will give you access to samples of an effective intro video. So first na makita mo dito is yung guideline. May guidelines na yan ha. Go through it seriously. Next, you'll see 3 examples. So let me show you like the 3 examples of an effective na what they call this intro video. Let's go.
Hey, good morning. My name is Chris, and I am applying for a post in your company. I have over 10 years experience working in the corporate BPO environment here in the Philippines, servicing U.S. clients, as well as almost 3 years experience working remotely as an independent contractor or freelancer after I left the corporate world. I have already managed departments and taken on leadership roles. I've worked in operations as well as training and development. So you name it, anything regarding customer service, I've probably done it from A to Z. And the one thing I enjoy most about this industry is that I get to interact with people, which really, really is something that's very enjoying and exciting for me. All the learnings, all the experiences I get from my day-to-day interactions, and I would love to share what my skills and experiences are as well with the future team I'll be working with.
So that's one. There's another one here para may ano ka, basis.
Hi, my name is Marie, and I'm applying for a post in your company. For 15 years, I had the privilege of working in the financial industry where I have explored various leadership roles. I am privileged to have led a sales team to great performance, and on a monthly basis, I was the one reporting to our US business partners with regard to monthly sales performance, trends, analysis, and was even tasked to be part of a work stream that created robust action plan to better performance. I'm also was part of the quality coaching team where I have learned and applied several coaching techniques. And my project management skills came in handy when I became part of a startup team that creates financial claims. On the side, while I do operations, I also love organizing company events and was even a regular host to our company's rewards and recognition program. I'm grateful to have learned a lot that I can hopefully contribute to your company, and I'm sure I'll learn a lot more from you, and I'm very much willing. Let's do it.
And last one.
Hi, this is Maria Shalokizon, or just Sky for short. and I am hoping to join Coconut VA and your amazing team of executive assistants. So I have here my resume pulled up. As you can see, I have previously worked as an executive assistant to the CEO of Forethought. It is an AI company based in San Francisco. And some of my daily tasks include heavy calendar and inbox management. I would also manage logistics for both domestic and international travels. And I was also heavily involved in leadership team meetings. I would take notes, also manage and organize offsites for the leadership team. I also did a lot of miscellaneous tasks just to ensure a seamless work environment for the CEO. And prior to that, I have worked as a customer service representative for AT&T. And while I was there, I occasionally managed a junior team of CSR agents as a subject matter expert. And I coached junior agents and handled escalations. Both of these experiences have taught me a lot of valuable skills, and I believe I could be a great asset to your growing team. Thank you so much for considering my application, and should you have any questions, please let me know and I would be happy to answer them. Thank you.
Very good. So these are 3 samples. So going back, it's time to create your own video via Loom. So just click the link here, copy and paste, to another browser. Then you create an account and you may start recording. Okay. Now, let's go to the recording. So click new video, record the video, and then you have a choice. No, we have a choice if you want to do it like the third example kanina with the screen and the camera kasi may naka-flash kanina. Or bawal tong screen only kasi you're applying so they need to see your face. Or camera only just like the first 2 samples, no? And then ayusin mo lang kung anong webcam gagamitin mo and mic, and then you can start recording. So ganyan lang siya gamitin. Once you're done, no? Once you're done recording, this is what you'll see, your preview of your video, and then you click copy link, no? It's still uploading, ayan. No? You click the link, copy link, and then that is what you paste here. So number 20. Okay? So very critical tong number 20 ha. And lastly, how did you learn about Coconut VA? Depende sa'yo. Saan yan? Kung may referral, comment, click referral, and then name of the referrer here. Kunwari ako, Jam Plauta. Before you even click submit, go through all the questions again. If complete na, if tama ang nailagay, once you're okay with that, then click submit. And this is your this will be your confirmation na you were able to submit already your application, and you will get a summary. Okay? You already have a summary of your application form doon. All right? So let me go through this one first. Hold on. I wanna show you something. So once you made it, guys, this is a sample email that you will get. You'll get a Coconut VA application update. And this email simply says that if once you're part of the pool of potential virtual assistants of Coconut VA, there is no guarantee that you will be matched with a client. Okay, so that's what it says here. We can't guarantee that you'll find a client. Okay, so you don't want to put you on hold. Okay, so dito pa lang, your profile is rotating already. And when I say profile, it's your resume that you did and your intro video na Loom. And then once we get a strong match, then we will contact you immediately, no? Number 3, okay, once you don't get any response from us in a month or 2, okay, or nakalagay na ngayon 4 to 8 weeks 2 or 3, then you may reapply after 90 days with a fresh profile. All right, with a fresh profile. So I suggest while you guys are waiting for your results in Coconut VA, I suggest that you apply. You don't wait, but you apply to other VA agencies or clients because once again, it might take a while. Since we are not exclusive naman in Coconut VA, no, then once you get a client ahead and then we match you with a client in Coconut VA and you still have a bandwidth, then we can actually still get you. So at least mas productive tayo. So I hope this tutorial helped you. This walkthrough helped you a lot. Once again, if you're not part of our Coconut VA FB group yet, please do because we post here all our latest job openings real time. Okay, just make sure to answer all the membership questions or else it's an auto decline for you. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.